Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check battery temperature on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To check battery temperature, you can check it via Ampere app. To install Ampere app, click on Play Store, go to Play Store and search for Ampere. Then install. And now wait a moment. After that, click on Open, consent OK, and here you can view your battery temperature as well as other data. And if you want to change your temperature unit, click on the settings in top right corner, basic settings, and you can change here. Click here once and then go back, and you'll see the temperature in the different unit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.